My name's Levi. I'm with the City of Hendersonville Water Treatment Facility. I'm the manager here. We're really blessed in this area to have a good supply of water, both in quantity and quality. We've got two reservoirs in the National Forest Service land. That's about 15 miles from a water treatment plant. One's North Fork and the other's on Bradley Creek. Very high quality water that we've been pulling from there since 1922. And it flows gravity fed, no pumps, no electricity needed to get that here. Then we have another pump station off the main stem of the Mills River here off of Highway 280. And we have a pump station there that we pump water from there, and they're blended. The sources are blended as they come into the treatment plant. And then we are also getting ready to build another intake off of the French Broad River that's going to give us more stability during a drought situation. We're considered a conventional water treatment facility in that we have flocculation, sedimentation, filtration. It's a standard water treatment facility. We produce around 7 to 8 million gallons per day, and everything runs pretty smoothly most of the time until you have equipment failures, or if you were to have a big rain event. You can think about if you're driving by the river after a big storm event, you know, whether it's a tropical storm event or something like that, and you look down and you see how muddy the water is. That is the water that we're bringing into the facility, and we treat that, and it comes out crystal clear and of high quality on the other side. So it's pretty neat to watch the science and the chemistry that all take place right before your eyes, and watch these guys use this equipment to get something like that done. There's hundreds of miles of different size pipe that delivers it to all the homes and the businesses, and it's called a distribution system, or some people call it a piping system. But it's a bunch of pipes in the ground all across the county. If you're a City of Hendersonville customer, everything that is coming from this one site, all the water for the entire county, whether it be Saluda, the City of Saluda, they buy water from us, whether it's Grand Highlands, about 45-minute drive from here, all that water is delivered from here, from those sources we've mentioned, through the distribution system. And there's a lot of people taking care of that. You think about main water breaks, new lines, new construction, all those kind of things. Conserving it is one thing that's great, and you're sure you're making the best use of the water, because it's not a free resource. A lot of people think that it is, and it's not. Especially if you want high quality water that you can depend on to give your family, you know, to prepare your foods and drinking and that kind of thing. And then there's systems that we have like AquaHawk that can help you maintain, be good with your finances, making sure if there is a leak, it'll let you have a little early warning about it, so you can check into that and see, especially people that don't live here all the time or they're traveling and they get something from AquaHawk, they want to have somebody check that out so they're not possibly flooding their basement or something like that. And then I think a lot of it too is everybody wants to be appreciated. So appreciate your water system, appreciate those that are here working 24/7 to make sure you have clean drinking water. And just being patient with us when there are issues in the system, because sometimes we can have a line break at 2 o'clock in the morning and we have to get crews to get there, and it can't be fixed in 5 minutes. And that's just the nature of having that much, hundreds of miles of pipe in the ground, and a lot of systems that have to work together to make it happen.